Maintaining older Wi-Fi and network technology can become very costly, time-consuming, and it's clunky, not to mention the risks of outdated and vulnerable firmware. Schools need Wi-Fi that stays fast, secure, and reliable even when hundreds of users and devices are connected at the same time. Redway Networks use specialist tools to design a modern Wi-Fi network that delivers both coverage and capacity for the ever-growing demands of the school environment. Wi-Fi security is a critical element of our service, enabling you to adopt key industry best practices such as WPA3 and certificate-based authentication, whilst maintaining backwards compatibility for older devices. Great Wi-Fi empowers teaching and learning, ensuring staff and students will get a secure, consistent Wi-Fi experience throughout the school. Supporting schools is core to our culture, which is why we offer a predictive Wi-Fi design service free of charge, without any obligation. Get in contact with us to discuss the challenges you face and request our free Wi-Fi design service.